Meaning of diplomatic pouch.
Diplomatic pouch.
Diplomatic pouch.
Diplomatic pouch.
Diplomatic pouch. A diplomatic pouch is a container used by diplomats and other high-ranking officials to transport official documents and other sensitive materials between countries. Diplomatic pouches are considered inviolable, meaning they cannot be searched or seized by customs officers or other authorities. This is to protect the confidentiality and integrity of the documents and materials being transported. Any violation of the diplomatic pouch is considered a serious breach of international law and can lead to diplomatic tensions between countries.